Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. The image file actually exists where your code or CMS expects it. Check the exact path and case sensitivity because one wrong character breaks the link. Make sure the format is supported by the platform and the file isn't corrupt or oversized. If the image is remote, ping or fetch the URL to confirm a 200 response. Once done, adjust paths or re-upload the correct file so the next steps have a valid target to work with. You now inspect how the image is delivered and rendered. Open Developer Tools and look at the network request. Is the file served with the right content type and not blocked by CORS or mixed content rules? Examine the HTML attributes like src, src set, and lazy loading. They must resolve to the same accessible file. Also check CSS rules that might hide or size the image to 0. If caching or CDN settings interfere, purge caches so the corrected file and headers propagate. You finish by applying targeted fixes. Update the path, correct HTML attributes, fix MIME type, or replace the file. After changes, clear browser and CDN caches and reload with a hard refresh to confirm results. If the image still doesn't appear, reproduce the issue in a minimal test page to isolate variables and try another device or network to rule out local blocks. One key tip: always check the browser console for precise error messages. Those often point directly to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.